Do not run behind money. Currently we are working on 2 projects, so those projects are giving us a good amount of money, and what we are doing, we are using those money to improve our skills and improve the system and tools of our agency, so that we can level up. We are putting all the money in leveling up. We had 2 more project inquiries, but we rejected them because focusing on 4 projects will be more hectic. Definitely it will give us more money, but our aim is not earning more money. Our aim is working less hours of time, systemizing and automating everything, and earning more amount of money. That's how you will grow, and you have then we will able to give more time in leveling up ourselves. So what we are going to do, we are going to earn same amount of money right now for 2 to 3 months from the same projects, 2 projects. We are not going to take any more for the projects, and we are going to use all the money to level up our skills, level up to a certain point where we can actually accept the project, 1 or 2 more projects that are going to give us returns equal to the 4 to 8 projects, local projects. So that's how you will get more time, and you will earn more money with less amount of work, and you'll get more time to work on yourself again. And same things we are going to do, earn get clients, get money, and we are going to level up, putting all the money in leveling up, skill up, growing ourselves. And that's how you have to grow. Don't run more projects is not equal to more money. More projects will give you more stress. It will be hectic, and it's not you will not able to give the results what you are going to promise, because handling 10 to 20 projects is not that easy. You have to level, you have to increase your team, you have to increase your staff area, office, and all. There are so much stress. Better you take 1 to 2 projects which are going to pay you equal amount of 10 to 20 projects, and that's for that you have to you have to improve your skills, you have to level up. And that's why you have to invest your all the money in courses that are going to give you more knowledge, how you are going to get the project, how you are going to give good results, so that you can actually take only those projects which are going to give you the high returns with less time. So this is how you have to think, and that's what we are actually practicing. So let's see what happens. Currently we are going good. Let's see what happens.